to Raghu's capital account and Ravi's capital account. What is their profit sharing ratio? After retiring Ramesh, listen, the old profit sharing ratio is 2:3:1. Now, Ramesh is retired from the partnership firm. Okay, so we not consider the old profit sharing ratio. Then only we have to take the new profit sharing ratio. That means a continuous profit sharing ratio. What is the continuous profit sharing ratio? Continuous partners profit sharing ratio. The continuing partner are Raghu and Ravi. Raghu's profit sharing ratio is 2, Ravi's profit sharing ratio is 3. So added together 2 plus 3 you will get 5. So Raghu's continuing partner Raghu's profit sharing ratio 2/5 and Ravi's continuing partner Ravi's profit sharing ratio is 3/5. So we have to that retired partner Ramesh distributed his goodwill share